This demo shows the complete Google Calendar integration for Blimx AI Solutions. We open the Blimx dashboard. The account overview shows 6 active agents with AQS appliances, sales, and repair selected. Monthly spend and global usage are visible at a glance. We connect Google Calendar. The Google OAuth flow opens at accounts.google.com, showing all available accounts. We select panchabalfer@gmail.com to authorize Blimx AI Solutions. After authorizing, the calendar integration settings are available in the dashboard. The agent is now linked to Google Calendar and ready to sync appointments. Now the customer experience. A visitor opens repair.aqsappliances.com. The embedded AI chatbot widget appears immediately and displays the lead capture form requesting name, email, and phone number. The customer fills in their contact details, name, email address, and phone number, then submits the form to start the chat. The AI chatbot greets the customer by name and presents the repair service options: washer repair, dryer repair, refrigerator repair, and stove and oven repair. The customer selects a service, and the booking calendar opens. June 2026 is displayed with all available dates for scheduling an appointment. The customer selects Wednesday, June 17th, and chooses the 3 p.m. time slot. Available times shown are 9 a.m., 10:30, noon, 1:30, and 3 p.m. The customer enters their name and email to complete the booking. Appointment confirmed. Wednesday, June 17th, 2026 at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. A confirmation email has been sent automatically. In the customer's Gmail inbox, the confirmation email from Blimx arrives immediately with the appointment details. No manual action was needed from the business. The appointment also appears automatically in Google Calendar on Wednesday, June 17th from 3 to 4 p.m., synced directly from the chatbot booking. Back in the Blimx dashboard, the Google Calendar tab confirms the integration is active and the connection is authorized. The Appointments tab shows every confirmed booking in real time. JJ Balfair on June 17th at 3 p.m. is at the top with a confirmed status. Jorge Luis, Jorge, and all previous bookings are listed below with their dates, emails, and phone numbers. This is Blimx AI Solutions, complete Google Calendar integration from